So you were bold enough, promising a spectator that they would fish an ace of spades out of the deck. Now let me see how good you are at forcing, my buddy. And you just bum, man. You just lost it. Does this look like an ace of spades? Not to me. So what we're gonna do now? Our spectators, they are confused and they are sad because they feel maybe like they failed or something. This is how we roll. We fix it with magic because magic is the power of love, turning an queen of hearts into an ace of spades.
OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe.
The shake change or wave change is a beautiful color change I use very often. It works perfectly with layman. It's really easy to get into and you can do a lot of things with it. What you do is you pick up two cards. We pull off a double lift here actually at the corners, at the sides of the deck, right? Two cards. And what we do then, we just tilt the card around, bang. And this is how we create the color change. Of course, we hide this whole turning around motion here within this shaking motion. That's where the name comes from. Shake, change, wave, change, you know? And you want to do it like this. You want to change it, you know? You don't want to do it in the middle. You want to go out, out, change, come back. That wasn't so good. Let me do this faster. So the change comes at the outer point. So you come, change, and there you go. Now, of course, you need to get a pinky break underneath the second card in order to be enabled then in the next motion to pick them up as one, those two, you know, pull off the double lift at the corners here, of course, right? I like to do this right at the moment where I turn the card over. So when I'm turning the card over, this is when I already catch the pinky break underneath the second card, and then I'm good to go. And just give it a little time. I bring both cards forward, I grab them from the corners, and then I'm in pole position for the move. Once again, we shake the cards, and at the upper point, we tilt the card, and then we bring it onto the deck in order to get rid of the card underneath. And we performed a beautiful, beautiful color change, very visual, very magical. For layman, absolutely stunning, and it is relatively easy to do actually. Just give it a try. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this watch was worth your time. If so, smash triple combo like, subscribe, and notification bell icon. And rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon. And the next color change I'm preparing for you guys, that's going to be Cardini change. It's also a very lovely one, very lovely one. So, see you next time.